You're gonna love the 2023 Toyota Camry. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, power driver seat, dual zone AC. Treat yourself to an inspired driving experience. Get into this industry-leading Camry and savor its blend of luxury, efficiency, power, and style.